To my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And I think I'm going to throw this video up first. I've like recorded 2 other ones already today, so I'm probably going to throw this one up first. It's going to be the quickest one, and this is still in stock and you can still get it, so I recommend you probably get this. But anyway, I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. It's just plain, I just haven't felt like editing. I had 2 videos I could have thrown up and just didn't feel like editing, so I'm just kind of like not, I don't know, with it, I guess. It's just, I don't know. I can't even watch. I'm not even watching YouTube. Yeah, no. I watch like Dr. John Campbell. That's it. Anyway, I got a little something from Target to show you. This came in this box, and actually he delivered it at my work because my work was getting something. And he goes, "Hey, what's your name again?" Because I've signed for things and I don't have to sign anymore. But he kind of remember my name, and he goes, "Is this you at like so and so much?" She says, "Yeah." And he goes, "I got something. You want this like here?" And I was like, "Sure." And so this is what I got. This is the Target beauty box. They had this every month. It's not a subscription. You buy it when you want to. It's $7, right? And they show you what's going to be in it. Now, in case you don't know what's going to be in it, I love that it's sealed. This one was new for this month. It's been the first, like, they've had really good ones. Like, I've gotten really good ones. And then they've had just kind of like so-so products in them as well. But it is free shipping just for this box. So, I've had it where it doesn't even come in a Target box. So it kind of surprised me that it came in a box. So, this is what it looks like. This is the Sunscreen Queen. That normally they have a theme. They do nowadays. I don't remember about the first few ones. Like, I got like from when they first did them, like a couple ones, and here and there. It's not a constant thing. It says, "Summer, is that you? Sunnier days are right around the corner, and if you're anything like us, you probably have your beach bag ready to go." Well, I mean, they open the beaches, but down here, I don't ever go to the beach, hardly ever. Ever. Like, it's, yeah, no. But my pool, I want my pool at my apartment open. I don't want to interact with people. I just want to go out and lay out and get tan. That's what I do for a few days, like 1 or 2 days a week, and see it like for a few times. Flip-flops, check. Straw hat, of course. Sunnies, duh. And don't forget the SPF. But we know finding the right sunscreen is trickier than it seems. Thankfully, we did the dirty work for you. Here's the brands we rely on to keep our skin sun ready all season long. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what we tried, we want to see what you've got, what you loved, and how you use this. Tag us with #TargetBeauty or TargetBeautyBox, and I will. Oh, and this has, they actually list what you have in here. And a little bit about no prices. And a $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more expires 9/4/20. That's nice. Offer valid at Target or Target.com if you don't want to go in there. And I have not been inside a Target. I almost did around Christmas. And then me and my mom like saw the parking lot because I had a pickup order. And then we saw the parking lot and we were like, no, we just got our pickup order. And that was like the last minute thing. Like the last thing I bought, the last thing I shopped for at Christmas was like all my teenage nephews. Well, it's like preteen. I got him a deodorant, but he's fine. Old Spice, like, because they have all these new scents, and they're actually nice, like a body wash, shampoo, whatever, deodorant, like in a set. And I got my 2 older nephews and my brother a set for Christmas. I knew how good this was. I probably would have checked up on it, and I was surprised it still hasn't sold out. From Beauty Deals BFF on Instagram, so go check her out. Now this, like, I'll admit, I'm bad. I don't wear plain sunscreen on my face before makeup because I'm worried about how I'll interact with makeup. I really don't know. But granted, I sit in an office all day. Most of the days I'm wearing makeup. When I'm out and about, I'm out for like very little. Like, I drive 5 minutes to work. I'm not out in the sun. Like, so it's not really hitting me. And I'm like in an office with, well, it has a couple windows, but they're far away and not hitting me. So first little dinky sample I've got is from Roche-Posay. Posay. Oh, you're gonna go Posay. This is the Anthelios 60 Melt in Sunscreen Milk Fast Absorbing Velvety Finish Raw Skin Types with Cello OX Shield XL Advanced UVA UVB technology and antioxidant protection, fragrance free, paraben free, tested on sensitive skin. Does it say anything about this? Just what I read. FYI, dermatologist tested and recommended. So it's this little sample pack, which probably get one use, maybe two. This is 1 ounce, and apparently this is almost full size or something. Like, it's really expensive. This is the Botanical Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Mineral Lotion Non-Greasy Antioxidant Rich. I think I did try SPF. I tried like an Olay or Knock Olay. My skin didn't like it. So, I have tried one. It's been a few years ago. So, this sunscreen delivers antioxidant-rich UVA and UVB protection with a non-whitening matte finish. This is hypoallergenic, reef-friendly, so it won't destroy the coral reef. That's a problem with sunscreens. Vegan and cruelty-free. Formula is water-resistant for up to 80 minutes. Interesting. Titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, so helps prevent sunburn. Yeah. Apply lowerly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating. Immediately after towel drying, at least every 2 hours. So this is cool. Now, this is CeraVe sunscreen. I thought this was going to be just some moisturizing lotion, but this is actually the sunscreen. This is an itty bitty size, 5 grams, 0.17 ounces. This is broad spectrum SPF face lotion. So specifically for your face, SPF 50. Invisible zinc, lightweight and oil-free, water-resistant for 40 minutes with ceramides and niacinamide. Ooh, they're putting the good skincare up in this thing. Lightweight oil-free moisturizer provides broad spectrum protection with a matte finish that won't clog pores, plus contains hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and 3 essential ceramides to help restore the skin's natural barrier. Alright, that sounds interesting. My skin likes niacinamide, I know that. I'm gonna try this. If this works, I'm so buying like the big size of that like niacinamide anti-sunscreen. That's awesome. That's what my skin needs in the matte finish. Next up is from Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Diamond Dust Holographic Sunscreen Stick. Broad spectrum SPF 50, water resistant 80 minutes. Free of chemical sunscreen actives. And this says holographic shimmery sunscreen made with non-nano zinc oxide and blended with sustainable light reflecting mica provides an on the go healthy glow. Okay, reflect your inner sparkle with a holographic shimmery radiance. Non-nano zinc oxide is blended with sustainable light reflecting mica for a healthy go get 'em glow, no matter the occasion. Good, clean fun for all life's adventures. Hashtag wear your color. Okay. I've never seen a holographic. I don't think I've really seen a holographic stick. One. But a holographic sunscreen stick? That's a new one. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. Maybe a little coconutty smell. It almost looks like a chapstick. I'm gonna lie, like those big fat ones. Okay. So, you know, we're just gonna see what it does, okay? Oh. Okay. Oh, it's got the shimmer. I guess you rub that in. But there's a shimmer. And kind of rubs in the white cast a little bit. I mean, there's still a little bit of white cast, but pink glitter. I don't know. I don't know. I wouldn't put that on my face, but if you want. I mean, nice shimmer up here on your shoulder. It might look a little white on me though. Like, I don't know. Like the glitter's like pink. If I'm not into it, I've got nieces that would be into it. Okay, it's from Sunbum. This is 1.75 ounces. This is a ginormous size. 50 grams. Broad spectrum SPF 30. Water resistant 80 minutes. Gluten free and vegan. Antioxidant enriched vitamin E and dermatologist tested. So this is sunscreen spray, ultra sheer, dry touch, continuous spray, formula daily overs, broad spectrum protection while enriching skin with vitamin E. Liberally spray onto skin 15 minutes before sun exposure. So you've got avobenzone, 3% benzone. Okay, homosalate, 10%, oxalate, 5%, octylysine, 3.5%. Those are on sunscreen, so not the zinc or whatever the other one was. That's interesting. I actually like sprays. You know, when you're out there for a while and can get your back like that, is like actually good spray, or just like you're like wet and like you know, just spray everywhere like that. Or kids are running around and won't stay still for 2 seconds to let you rub in some sunscreen. Next one, I didn't know how much this was, but apparently it's like $25.99 or something like that, because this is like the full size, and that's why she really promoted this deal, that girl on Instagram. This is from Rock, or ROC, whatever you pronounce it. Multi-correction 5-in-1 daily moisturizer with sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 30, boosts the look, discoloration, sag and dryness, dull tone, and wrinkles. Hexanol technology rendering is 85% actual size. Alright, okay, it says about hexanol technology. After 7 years of research, scientists for the Rock brand made a breakthrough discovery in anti-aging hexanol technology. The innovative multi-benefit compound targets the 5 signs of aging that cause skin to lose its youthful look: discoloration, sag and moisture loss, dull skin, tone, and wrinkles. It's designed to deliver powerful age-fighting results while being gentle enough for everyday use. So it has the avobenzone, the homosalate, the octisalate, the octocrylene, which I think is all the ingredients in this thing. This one has the avobenzone, 3%. This has 2%. The homosalate, this has 10%. This has 4%. This is octisalate, 5%. This has 4%. Octocrylene, 3.5%. This has 2%. So these have the same sunscreen in them, and not the zinc oxide, which is in most everything else, or everything else as far as I know. This has titanium dioxide as well. So these two have different sunscreens in them, and this is for sunscreen use. Apply generously and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply at least every 2 hours. So this is what you pull out. Okay. That would be glass. That's nice. Or like a glass. It almost feels like a glass. So that's nice. So it's a moisturizer and a sunscreen, which is great to you put in the same place. So I'm going to probably start using that. Hopefully it looks better than the Light moisturizing SPF lotion. So I like how all these are typical zinc oxide you're used to, and then a few are a different one. So I think this was a fantastic box. I mean, this is almost full size. The Rock apparently is full size. This might actually be a full size. I don't know. And you know, a lot of samples. This is 1 ounce, which is an awesome size anyway. Some things are 1 ounce. Your foundation is 1 ounce, so that might be a full size. I don't know. Especially something for your face, that could be a full size. So, and $3 off coupon. So that is awesome. It is still available now. I checked. That's why this video is probably gonna go first, because it's still available. You can only get it shipped though. These are not available in store. They used to be. I don't know if they stopped doing that. I think they might have a while ago, but they are available to be shipped. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.